Hello there, it's Sanu, your gear enthusiast back again. Nice to see you all.
So today, I'll be sharing some new IKEA items you should check out. Also, I finally got a new product that was sold out for a long time. These are easy to miss at IKEA, so feel free to take screenshots as you watch along. Okay, so here's the one that had been sold out forever. You'll find it in the kitchen accessories area. It's this little U-shaped rack right here. I go to IKEA once a week, and I still couldn't grab one for about a whole month. I finally got it this time, but when I checked the website just now, it was sold out again. Even with this many in stock on the shelf, clearly it's super popular. Originally, only the shelf on the left was available, and now they've added the mini shelf we saw earlier, the corner type in the center, and the hook type on the right. Since it was already so popular, I think they just expanded the lineup with more variations. And this mini version is very popular right now. Now, looking at the online reviews, a few people mentioned there were issues with the screw holes. Having to deal with returns would be a real hassle, so that's a concern. But mine assembled without any trouble at all. You just need one screwdriver. It's really simple, and as for actually using it, the size is just right. I really love it. It's great for creating a little display shelf in a small space. The shelf itself is super stylish, and even in the kitchen, you can put spices or small items on it. It's the perfect size and really practical. I was able to fit 2 small mugs on it comfortably. And the wood part is bamboo. A lot of IKEA items are bamboo, so the materials match up really nicely. The size is really spot on, and it works great around a desk too. So this is a Muji A6 memo pad, and it fits perfectly on the shelf. You can also place things along the depth, so you get a lot of vertical storage. And you can actually stack 2 of them on top of each other. Please check the online stock. By the way, IKEA Japan is running a Pokemon collab until May 10th. They were giving out free paper visors, and honestly, it was so sweet seeing everyone wear them. Okay, back to the store. Now, this is an LED lantern from the limited collection. Up close, the quality was actually really nice. I think it would look really lovely somewhere like a balcony or a patio. It's pretty functional too. It has 3 brightness levels. It runs on 3 AA batteries, but if you use rechargeable ones, there's a USB-C port, so you can actually charge them without even taking them out. This one was designed by Mikkel. He's a very popular designer right now, and he'll come up again later on. From the same collection, there's a cushion cover, and the fabric is really sturdy. According to the label, it has about 30% jute in it, and the label also says it's machine washable. The design has such a nice, understated feel. They also have a rectangular version. It has the same calm, understated design. Rectangular cushion covers are really handy because when you have a square cushion with a rectangular one, it adds a nice rhythm to your sofa, and it also works as a little pillow. Now, from the same collection, the kitchen cloths were so popular that even the display samples were completely gone. If you got one, that's amazing. The oven mitts are also really sweet. The blue and brown combo looks so stylish together. It has linen mixed in, which gives it such a lovely texture. I feel like these will sell out in no time too. Okay, so this is the apron section. It's from the same collection, but this one is a very long style, covering from the waist down. It's so long that I feel like I'd want upper body coverage too, but maybe that's not the point. It's also quite heavy. I personally prefer this lighter polyester one. Now, these are enamelware dishes. I'll list the prices for the plate and the bowl in the corner of the screen. They're light, and I kind of like them, but unfortunately, they're not dishwasher safe. Just a heads up, this is a limited collection, so please grab one soon if you're interested. The rimmed design is really lovely, isn't it? Now, this is the Billy bookcase, and a really vivid blue version just came out. The Billy recently came in green too, but that one's already sold out. So I'm guessing the blue is also a limited release. And this pure white poof, I've been wanting it for a while, and I keep checking back on it. This one is part of a new series with this sofa, a rotating easy chair, and this poof. And the fabric has a boucle texture, which is really lovely. The color is so good too. It's a soft white, almost off-white. I really want it, but it's a little big for my space. Earlier, the side table shown next to it was in white, but a black version has also been released. The white one has chrome legs, but the black version has black legs too, and it gives off a really cool vibe. I love the matte steel texture. It looks so cool. And on the right, there's a smaller side table too, so they come in two types. Next, I found some cute cushions. They actually have a cat pattern. It comes as a filled cushion at this price. That's really affordable. There was even one striped cat mixed in. They also had a storage box with the same motif. The kitty face has such a cute expression. It'd be great as a toy box in a kid's room. This is also a cat one, but a bit more upscale. The face is actually embroidered, and they even gave it a tail. Really thoughtful. The price is way higher than the other items, which surprised me, but this one is handmade. This reddish brown is really trending this season. It has a pile-like texture, and the feel is really nice, with some shading. The surface has this lovely depth to it. Cushion covers are such an easy way to bring in a trendy color. I think this chair pad is a hidden gem, and it now comes in new colors. The IKEA chair pads have a really good non-slip grip, and they're machine washable, which is a nice feature. A lot of people use them on dining chairs, so being able to just toss them in the wash is really reassuring. I have them at home too. And the new color is brown red again. This color is really on trend right now. The combo with blue is really sweet, just like the trivet I showed you earlier. Here, it's paired with a clear chair, and the rug is also brown, and the storage boxes on the desk are in a similar color, so it all matches really well together. Now, there's actually a watering can on the table for some reason. It has a really stylish design. It says new right there. Since it's a limited collection, the stock is already running low. This room has a lot of black accents throughout, and they've brought in the new pendant light too. Well, there's another chair pad I'm a big fan of, and they just dropped a new color. I've been using a light gray one at home, and honestly, the low rebound feel is really nice. They call it blue, but it looks more like a calm, muted blue to me. Mine looks like this on my dining chair at home. Now, this is the super popular SKOGSTA dining series, and they actually had this counter table looking piece right here. And what's really rare about it is that it's in this super mini size. It was honestly exactly the size you'd find at a standing bar in Japan. The height would also work really well as a small kitchen prep area, I think. And then this was a different size of the same counter table. This one is really close to an actual kitchen counter size. And the chair paired with it is also from the SKOGSTA series. The design is really cool, isn't it? It's got this slightly classic backrest design. And it comes in black. And there's also a clear lacquer finish version with no color at all. So this is the taxi cushion, and it has this mystery zipper on it. I talked about this before, wondering what it was for, and if you flip it over, the cover and insert don't actually separate at all. And then, some international viewers told me it's actually a pajama holder, and I got a lot of those comments. I had no idea there was something called a pajama storage bag, so I was surprised. Do you know about it? Apparently, it's a thing to keep pajamas in their own bag. Thank you so much to everyone who let me know, and someone who actually bought one suggested the zipper is there to represent a door, which I thought was such a good point. It's such a playful design. And they had another adorable cushion too. This one has different patterns on the front and back, unicorns on one side and rainbows on the other. Perfect for sweet dreams. It would make a really great pillow for little ones. Now, this display had the brown-red wallpaper too. You can really feel the trend in this color palette. This is the dark brown furniture series, the very popular RÅDMANSÖ. It's been getting a lot of attention. Whenever it appears briefly in my Instagram stories, I get so many comments saying how nice it looks. It also features slim legs with a touch of gold, which is a nice detail. And this display is really beautiful too. There's a small mirror on top of the cabinet, and I just love the way it all comes together. And from this series, they finally have a bed now, which I'm really excited about. If you want to coordinate everything in one series, I definitely recommend this one. In Japan, they're available in 2 sizes. This one also has slim legs, and it looks really stylish. Only the tips are gold. The styling on the official website also looks amazing. I'd love to place it next to a side table like this. And the rug is so nice too. It's a really beautiful display. This room has the bed and the chest in the same series, and they also come in various sizes. If you like it, please check the website. IKEA uses the same series name for everything in a collection, so just search the series name. The inside of the drawer is a very stylish blue. All items in the series share the same blue color. That might be why, in the display we saw earlier, it was matched with blue tones. Here, it's coordinated with a navy bedspread and pillows. So, can you guess what these 3 cute pastel items are? Maybe you can tell from what's next to them. They're actually air purifiers. The original was white only, but that's been discontinued, and these adorable colors have been added, 3 of them. As I'm editing this, they weren't up on the online site yet, but I think they'll be up soon. They're really compact, so they're ideal for smaller rooms. For the old white version, it's designed for a 7 square meter room, cycling the air about 5 times per hour. In terms of performance, it's tested according to globally recognized air purification standards. They sell replacement filters too. The white one has really high review ratings online, so I think this is a really solid product. A lot of reviews mentioned how quiet it is. In the display next to it, there was an orangutan plush called Punch. It's been super popular, and it's apparently sold out already. Okay, now the rug section. From the popular STOENSE series, they had this tiny mini-sized rug, and it's in this round shape. It's pretty mini, so it might be a bit tricky to use, but I think it could work nicely in front of a personal chair. The color was really lovely, and they also have the regular square shape. The STOENSE series has really short pile, so it's easy to clean, but the fibers are packed in really tightly, so it doesn't feel cheap at all. I use the STOENSE at home too, and I absolutely love it. I was really looking forward to seeing this one. It's a flat weave rug. IKEA has a really wide variety of rugs, and a lot of them are really affordable. So IKEA is genuinely a great choice for rugs, and flat weave rugs are really nice because they're easy to clean. It looks really clean and simple, and the new color is orange. I feel like I've been talking about orange a lot in this video. It works really well under a dining chair too, since it's flat weave. And even though it's flat weave, it actually looks pretty sturdy. They also had a larger size, at this price point for this size. That's really impressive. I guess it's because IKEA does mass production, right? Oh, one more thing. I don't think this is a new product, but I found a dark blue flat woven rug. I didn't know they had something like this. It has fringes, which makes it really cute. What I like about it is that regular rugs usually take up a lot of space, but this one is very compact. So when you're not using it for the season, you can easily store it away, which I think is really convenient. Okay, so here's some breaking news on new items. I think these will be very popular. These new pieces are from the IKEA PS collection, known for stylish design at affordable prices. Only 3 items have been revealed so far, but aren't they all amazing? So this curvy lamp comes in 3 colors, and this one is the inflatable chair. The inflatable chair is designed by Mikael. You can actually lift it up just like this. And they also announced this rocking bench. The full lineup will be revealed on May 13th. I'll do a quick report on Instagram stories or YouTube, so please make sure to check it out. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I'll see you in the next video.